He blocked me. I still prayed for him. He blocked me. Just like that, without a word. No fight, no goodbye. Only silence remained. My hands shook. But my heart still loved. I stared at his name. Still saved in my contacts. I didn't delete it. I couldn't. Because to me, he still existed. Tears came without asking. One by one, slowly. Like a rain I didn't want. But couldn't stop. The pain felt holy. Because it had his name. He blocked my messages. But not my prayers. Every night I whispered. Keep him safe. Even if he hates me. I still want his smile. We talked every day once. Now, even silence is quiet. I wait for notifications. Knowing they won't come. Still I wait. That's what love does. I read our old chats. Laughed. Then cried. So many I love yous. All now feel like lies. But I still believe. Maybe he meant them. His voice still echoes. In empty rooms. I answer in silence. I say I'm fine. But I'm not. I'm shattered inside. My friends said, move on. But how do you move? When your heart stays behind? I smiled outside. Cried inside. That's how I survived. Every night. I sleep hugging his memory. His last message. I read like a prayer. Take care, it said. I do. Of him. He never said goodbye. Just disappeared. But I didn't leave. I stayed in pain. Because love doesn't quit. Even when people do. I wanted to scream. But I chose peace. I loved him silently. Like a prayer in the wind. He may have blocked me. But I never blocked my heart. I saw him online. But not in my life. That hurt more than I can ever explain. Being forgotten. By someone unforgettable. I prayed for his happiness. Even if it was not with me. I just wanted him to smile. Even if I never saw it again. My love had no demand. Only blessings. Months passed. I didn't message again. Not because I moved on. But because I respected his silence. I waited. Still waiting. He is in my dreams. Every night. Sometimes smiling. Sometimes walking away. And every time I wake up. My pillow is wet. They say time heals. But some wounds are not meant to heal. Some stay. To remind you. It was real. I could block him back. Delete everything. But love is not ego. Love remembers. Love forgives. Love waits. If he ever misses me, he'll find me. Not in his inbox. But in the wind. The stars. The silent prayers I left behind. One day, maybe. He'll read this story. And know. That the girl he blocked. Still loved him. Still does. I didn't need a reply. I needed peace. And peace came. Not from forgetting him. But from forgiving him. And praying with love. One day, I smiled. Not because I forgot him. But because I remembered myself. The girl who loved truly. She deserved love too. Even if not from him. I stopped checking his status. I started living mine. His memories stayed, but didn't control me. I cried, but I also healed. I kept his name in my prayers, even after pain. Because love is not weak. Love is divine. And real love always gives peace. Someone asked me, "Do you still love him?" I said, "I always will. But now I also love myself." That's what he taught me. If he ever reads this, I hope he knows. I never hated him. I loved him with prayers. He blocked me once, but I still bless him forever.